Wake County Animal Center is implementing a new policy. They are banning anyone under the age of 18 from their adoption space, and that goes into effect this weekend. CBS 17's Mariah Ellis is live for us tonight outside the shelter. And Mariah, some volunteers and rescues are really worried about the impact of this move.
Yeah, Rod, rescue groups tell us that they're always in support of additional safety measures, but they said they're really concerned that this could potentially put a huge dent into adoptions overall. Nicole Kincaid, the founder of Perfectly Imperfect Pups, has helped rescue animals from local shelters across North Carolina for nearly a decade.
We are a foster-based dog rescue in the Raleigh area. All of our dogs are in foster homes.
Kincaid says they're currently working with about twice the size of their typical intake, a demand she believes will be impacted even more as Wake County Animal Center plans to implement a new policy restricting kids from the adoption floor.
What's going to happen here is we're going to get less adoptions at the Wake County Center. We're going to get more euthanasia rates. We're going to have more dogs coming into rescue. We are already overrun.
Shelter staff say the policy even includes children who are with an adult. They say it's part of their ongoing efforts to enhance safety and maintain a calm and secure space for their animals and visitors, especially with overcapacity challenges they faced most of the year. Before they make any type of adoption, how often do they have their kids with them?
We require it. And I would never adopt a dog personally if I had young kids, if I couldn't let them interact.
This change comes less than a week after a woman shared this post, stating a dog attacked her daughter at the shelter when they came to adopt. While staff didn't confirm the attack and denied the policy was a direct response to any incident, they did state the individual in this matter has stated that she intends to pursue legal action against the county. We are unable to make any public statements at this time.
I do know that this is a change that people had been thinking about on the government level for a while now.
Natalie McPherson, who's volunteered here for nearly 2 years, also worries of the policy's impact, believing a better solution should start with more funding and support for a new building with more space.
When it gets super crowded, I think that could be alleviated with the new facilities.
And instead of making little changes, let's work on some of the big changes. Like, how can we stop that overcapacity? How can we put more spay and neuter rules into play so that that shelter is not continuing this cycle of being overrun?
And the shelter says this policy will go into effect starting tomorrow, Saturday. And they said they're still trying to get families to go out there and to really continue to adopt. They said to look also in animals in their foster care, but also they have a gallery that they said is listed online that lists all of their animals that are also up for adoption. Mariah Ellis, CBS 17 News.
It will be interesting to see what impact this does have. We'll keep an eye on that for sure. Mariah, thanks so much. We appreciate it.